am on my way right now. I'm stopped. But I'm about to get my hair done. So Lindsay does my hair. I definitely need to get touched up. So I'm very excited. She got a new place. So it's gonna be the first time I'm gonna see her new little setup. And yeah, I want my hair to be like ready to go when we go for like Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So I wanted to make sure everything is gonna be done for it. So we're gonna go drive, and I'll talk to you guys when we get there. Here. She's here too.
Partial? You don't need the whole shebang.
Okay, so we are,
we're just freshening up her highlights. It grew out really nicely. We're just doing what we did last time, which is just like baby lights all around, and then we're gonna root her out. Last time we did her ends, but they look really good, so we're just gonna leave them out.
yay!
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into thought.
So today for dinner, I am making stuffed shells. So it's gonna be so good. I have never made this before, so it sounds really good. I think my mom used to make them. So I've had it before, I've just never made it myself. So I'm just going in and putting some onions in here. I love onions, it smells so good. All right, so these are the shells that we got. We have to get the jumbo shells so that you can put stuff, obviously, into it. And then these are the shells that I'm about to cook those. And then I'm gonna have my little concoction of amazingness into the shells. I'm so excited.
How do you close them once they're cooked?
Just gonna have to wait.
Will you show me how? I don't even know how.
All right, we are ready. All right, so I have my shells. So I'm going to squeeze them into here. And voila.
Oh, so that's how it goes. I've always wondered this, and just kind of...
You just keep putting them in. All right, so here is our meal. Oh, gosh. So here are the stuffed shells, then we have some bread, and then of course we have wine. It smells so good. I cannot wait. Bon appetit. Everybody, so today we're super excited. Our save the dates are finally going to be here. So we have a lot of stuff to do today with that. We have around like 210-ish people. So we have like about 100 that we're going to be sending them out. So we have to put our stamps and everything like that and put them in the envelopes and all of that stuff. I don't know why I just had an accent while I said envelopes, but so for right now, I'm just having my coffee. I don't know what I want for breakfast yet. I'm not really hungry. So I'm just gonna have my coffee. Ryan is over there playing his game. Once we're done with the game, or when he's done with the game, we're just gonna be waiting until the save the dates get there, and then we'll start putting them in. So how cute is this mug? Like, it is literally me. I have that same outfit, that same hat, blondness. It is absolutely perfect. I'm gonna put the link where I got this mug. It is so cute. They have also like hair colored as well. She has a ton of different ones, and I love how like tall it is. I feel like it's a little bit taller than like a normal mug, so I think it's like absolutely perfect. So I'm just gonna stir my coffee because I need that cream. I don't know how people have it without having creamer. Like I just can't, because the creamer is like the best part. Ryan and I are about to go out for brunch. We're going to another broken yolk egg, something like that. We have never been out for brunch. We usually just make breakfast ourselves, so this is gonna be a new thing for us. We're going right in, and I'm excited. I don't have to make my own breakfast. It's like never happened. Alright guys, we're here. We're at another broken egg. It's gonna be so good. Hopefully it's not gonna take too long, but there's a lot of people here, so I'm excited to eat. I'm so hungry. Alright, it is here. So good. Some bacon, some sausage. Here's Ryan. It looks like he's having ice cream. Let's see how it is. Wait, say it again.
Bon appetit. This looks crazy.
What is it?
Those are eggs.
Well, I know that's eggs.
Hollandaise sauce.
What's underneath it? Pancakes?
Brisket and a waffle.
Oh.
Jalapeno waffle.
Wow. Good? Alright, so this is mine. I got the Benedict and
Just like the
Apollo
Black
sauce
Stone.
and tomatoes and I forget what that's called. English muffin? Yeah, that's it. So it looks really good. I love it. Alright, we absolutely hated it. And Ryan also hated his as well, so. Would you come back?
I would.
Yeah. I would too. It was a lot of food, and it was really good. I would get the same thing again. I liked it a lot. The potatoes are cute. This container is super cute. Yeah, I think they did a great job. Alright, so we just got all of our save the date. So we are now in progress of putting all of our envelopes into the beautiful things. And I just had 2 Oreos, so don't look at my teeth. This is what we're going to be doing until we are complete with all of these envelopes. We're so excited. We're getting so close to our wedding. If you guys don't know, our wedding is June 26, 2021. So we're getting there. It's so exciting. Let's put these in here. So I put them in. Ryan licks them. Got all of them done. I'm so excited. So we're about to go put these in the mailbox. I'm so excited.
Mailman's gonna get a surprise.
This is so exciting. This is like, it's happening.